What does he or she do in French? What kind of costume do they wear? Comment il s'appelle? Comment elle s'appelle? What does he call himself? And what does she call herself? Session 14th. And congratulations, you step by step have reached here and now to learn how to say he or she in French. Up here, you've got familiar to the French costumes for I and you. You are totally able to make sentences, and if you need to go quickly take a look, you can use the links above. Time to say he is or she is in French. So many fresh and quiet, interesting videos are upcoming for you. I hope that you got interested in progressing with me. In Alien French, we are waiting for you. Hit the subscribe button and make the ring to remind you not to miss the new lessons. S'il vous plaît, inspire me with your likes and comments. Merci. Well. You already know from subjective pronouns link up there. No. For he we have il, and for she we have, correct, elle. Let's work more on that. You also know that gender in French is an unavoidable topic, essentially important, not affecting only nouns, but adjectives, verbs, and so on. Here, choosing il or elle is the first situation that you get contact with this topic, choosing or recognizing if it is masculine or feminine situation. Let's have an easy and good example. Ali is a teacher. He is French. How to say it in French? Let's go. Time to choose the proper verb. In French, the correct version of the verb be for the third person singular, no matter feminine or masculine, is est. Just like the verb we use for the pronoun you, tu. We say tu es. Now it is il est, elle est. Just the same pronunciation. I warmly recommend you to go take a look using the above link. Practicing more. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Go back now to the example. As we now know the verb est for Ali, because he is elle. Il est. Ali est. Do you remember the proper job for Ali here, for teacher? I want a masculine noun here, a masculine teacher. Time to have a look.
2,000 years later.
Enseignant, yes, correct. But again, you should choose carefully, because if we were in a feminine situation, we would rather say enseignante. Okay? At the end makes it be pronounced as enseignant. Well, up until here we have Ali est enseignant. Let's continue the example. For the second sentence, we have to first choose the proper subject. Subjective pronoun. Il or elle, he or she. Obviously, Ali is a name for a man, masculine. So, il is selected. Let's go. Again, we have est. Ali est French. What should we do for the word French? How do we say French in French? Let's learn it in another lesson. In the next videos, we will talk about the adjectives too. Do follow me, practice, and review. And ask the questions in the comments. À bientôt.